Yo, what is up, guys? In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you guys can actually make money on TikTok. And yes, I'm not gonna talk about the creative fund because there's no way that all these, even the biggest influencers, are making a full-time income with the creative fund. So I'm gonna show you guys ways to actually make money right off the bat and start learning how to scale and monetize your TikTok account. So before we get started with this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you guys could be notified when I upload my next video. And yeah, if you guys want to know what I do have a free affiliate marketing course. If you guys want to take advantage of that, hit the link down below so you guys could get started with that. And yes, I'm gonna be talking about affiliate marketing in one of these videos, in one of these sections, but I am going to tell you guys on 5 ways on how you guys can actually make money with TikTok, and I'm going to show you guys how you guys can monetize it and how you guys can actually scale up this way. All right, so the first one is going to be about doing a service or creating a product. All right, so basically, let's say you have a specific skill, like you guys know how to do car washing or pressure washing or whatever you guys are into and stuff like that. Like, let's say doing logos or doing something like that. Whatever you guys have a skill on, you guys can actually build this around TikTok. So I'm gonna show you guys a video of this guy. He does pressure washing. As you can see, he puts his phone number right here so you guys can actually get in touch with him. He lives in Houston, Texas. So I'm gonna show you guys a video on what he basically does, and he basically just does all this, showing you guys how he does the pressure washing and how good it turns out, so you guys can actually start getting clients that way. Even with car washing, if you guys are into car washing, you guys can easily just basically do the same thing he's doing, but with cars. Whatever service you guys are into, you guys are around your local area, start doing that. A lot of people don't have this skill, but you guys could always learn it. It's car washing. You guys don't really need to have a big knowledge of car washing. It's basically just washing your car, but you guys can watch YouTube videos on how you guys can actually do it. All right, like what products to use and stuff like that. All right, so that's what you guys could do. Just basically take videos. As you can see, some of these videos are getting 107,000 views. One got 1 million. And so forth and so forth. He basically just started this TikTok account, so that's pretty amazing. He barely started this account and he already got 88,585 followers. So yeah, you guys could easily do it this way. Just basically do it like that. Just start talking about it and stuff like that. That you guys could do. All right. The second one I want to talk about is actually creating a product. Creating a product could be something what you guys love to do, like cooking, bartending, anything you guys could think of that you guys, on the top of your head that you guys can actually think about, barbecuing, whatever you guys want to, do something around that you guys love, but it is more time consuming, more shipments like that, especially if you guys are going to create a book. If you guys create an ebook, then that's totally fine. But like this guy right here, he's doing a cookbook. The payment is $14.99. He sends them directly to that, and it's basically just, and he does what kind of food he cooks and stuff like that. So so this is what you guys could actually do it like that. Just basically, he's showing you guys what he has in his cookbook and how he does it and how easy it is to do it. So he's telling you guys to buy a cookbook. So that's what you guys can actually do if you guys are into doing this. There's multiple ways where you guys can actually scale this business module. TikTok is a good way that one of your videos could hit millions of views, and this guy has over 1 million followers. So he, and I don't know if I click through here, I don't know if it's gonna send me to get an ebook. So yeah, purchase now. It's I think it's an ebook. I'm not too sure. But if I go here, I wonder. Yeah, it's technically an ebook. Cause that's how you guys could do it instead of actually creating a physical product. All right, so an ebook is way easier to actually get started with. Ebook is just basically getting a designer to design the way your ebook looks, or you guys can even go on Canva.com to actually start creating your ebooks, or you guys could easily go to Fiverr and get a person that does amazing designing with ebooks and stuff like that, so you guys could start selling that product. All right. But yeah, it's basically just put your card info and the email address so he can send out that ebook. So it's basically selling it for $14.99, and you guys could be making a lot of money with that. All right, and just start posting videos like what he's doing about what you guys are into, and then start writing a book or a product or whatever you guys are into doing. All right, it's just basically how he's doing it. He's basically just selling a product, like a course maybe about something or whatever you guys like. Let's say you do car washing. You guys can actually create a course on getting your first clients and stuff like that, how to do car washing the right way or whatever, and start selling it. And yeah, that's how you guys can actually start earning money with this. So the other one is called affiliate marketing. All right. Affiliate marketing is what I do, my bread and butter. I barely started a new TikTok account around that. I felt like I was gonna use the other TikTok account because I love doing TikToks, actually, just to do it as a spam account, just do whatever on that account, and then on the other account post my actual personal branding stuff and stuff like that. So if you guys want to follow me, the link is down below on the TikTok. But yeah, so the next one is called affiliate marketing. A lot of people, you guys could, with affiliate marketing, what people think is like, a quick get rich scheme, which is not. All right, a lot of people use it that way, but it technically is not. You guys could promote any products. Like I said, you guys could promote these books right here. You guys could promote the phone if you guys want to. Anything you guys are interested in promoting, like this camera right here. You guys could promote anything you guys could set your mind to and just start promoting it. Like this girl right here, she's basically just cooking, right? Like your product has to be in that specific niche, and this basically what she's doing is basically just cooking. Like we see here, that she's just basically cooking the meal and stuff like that. And then after this, there's not really a call to action on most of these videos, but a lot of people don't want it to be so like that. And if they do, just put a call to action, they're basically just down to click the link in my bio. And when you guys click on this, is an actual affiliate link where it takes you to, Violet's Cooks, basically what she uses on her videos and stuff like that. So the college kitchen essentials, what she usually needs. And every time you click on one of these, it's actually going to take you to a website like Wayfair, and it's telling you, or it's basically telling you on sale, sell it. And every time someone purchases specific product, she gets a commission out of it. So that's what affiliate marketing is. Basically, that's why I keep telling you guys that affiliate marketing is not a rich quick scheme. How people actually get confused with this, people are just basically promoting affiliate marketing course. All right, so that's why I teach people how to promote other things besides a course. Basically doing this, like I said, affiliate marketing. This is affiliate marketing at its works. All right. You click on any of these other ones, it's gonna take you to another link, and she's gonna get a commission out of it. All right, $30. Go, cool. I don't know how the Wayfair affiliate program is. If she gets a commission with everything that's in her cart, like Amazon does, because I know Amazon, when within 24 hours, whatever they order, you guys get a commission. All right. So with this, I do not know if she gets a commission every single time. Everything in the cart that they order or paid for this product. All right. But yeah, that's how you guys could actually do affiliate marketing. As you can see that she's basically just cooking stuff. It's in a cooking niche, and she's telling people what she uses and what you guys could use as well. And she has 1.7 million followers. Like I said, you guys do not have to have a big audience, but she does. But in the beginning, that's how people make their money. They don't make money. They don't make their money off the TikTok Creative Fund. This is how people are monetizing their money. They're not relying on the TikTok Creative Fund to actually make money. But remember this, guys, that everybody starts from zero. All right. She started from zero. There's no way she just started with 1.7 million. Everybody starts from zero. She just worked her way up. So that's how you guys can actually do it. All right. The next thing is drop shipping. All right. Drop shipping products like this guy right here. He only has 209 followers, but I wanted to give you guys an example. He's basically just doing the same product right here. As you can see, the product to sell on he probably bought the ball on a website, and he waited until he got it. He probably bought 2 balls so he could show you guys how to use it and create videos around it. And all he's telling you is go to the home page and click right here. So when you click right here, it's actually going to take you to his shop. But I guess this shop is not here yet, or he's still working on it. I'm not too sure. But this is basically his shop. What he does is drop shipping all these other items, and yeah. So this is a drop shipping store. So that's what they basically do. I think they took off the product, and that's why they haven't they didn't do that product. But yeah, so basically they just created a product around it, and they did a TikTok video, so you guys could start getting stuff like that. Like, I see a lot of drop shipping products just exactly like this, where I watch anime, so I seen that fan one with animations with Naruto and stuff like that. But I don't know if you guys seen it on TikTok, but I seen one of those, but I couldn't really find it on the my For You, and I found this one, so that's why I started doing this video. But I know that's a drop shipping item because I've done my research on stuff like that. So yeah, I found this spinning ball where they basically just take videos of it. They purchased the product and they did videos of it so they could post it on TikTok. So that's what you guys could literally do. And like I said, you guys do not have to start from 100 million followers to make money. You guys could start from zero and move your way up, and you guys will actually start seeing results pretty quick. All right. So yeah, and the next thing is actually becoming an influencer and started making money off that way. All right. What I mean by this, you guys do not have to start by being so big, but you guys could do exactly what this girl does. She only has 27K followers. It's pretty decent. But you guys basically go to places, but you talk to the owner first. All right. So you send them an message. I'll have the message here. So you basically say, hey, I'm gonna use a restaurant. Let's say you're in a local place. Let's say San Diego. So you basically go to a restaurant saying, like, you basically email them or contact them, whatever. Find it on Google on local restaurants. So for example, right here, this one is Peach Tree Calf. So you guys could basically say, hey, my name. So you guys basically say this, hey, my name is Serge. I'm an influencer on TikTok. I basically do, I'm doing this TikTok video on 5 places to visit when you hit San Diego, and I want to feature one of your restaurants. Would you like to do a promo for $100? And I feel like I know it'll get you more customers if I post videos on your TikTok. Let me know if you're interested. And that's basically the script right there. So you guys want to copy that script, go ahead. But that's what you guys could basically do. As you can see here, I'm gonna show you guys this video where she shows you where it's at. She's recommending places, and that's basically it. Try it, let me know what you think. That's it. That's what you guys could do. You guys could visit all these places and even experience for yourself. You guys could easily do that and start building an audience like that. And like I said, you guys are basically doing 5 places, so 5 times 100 is $500 that you guys are actually gonna making off that post. So pretty easy. Just find places to actually look in your local area, whatever area you guys do, and then move your way up like that. That's what I mean by you guys can make anything possible with TikTok and make money off TikTok. Alright, yeah guys, that's pretty much it. If you guys would like this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you guys could be notified when I upload my next video. If you guys want to know how I do affiliate marketing, the link is down below so you guys could know how to promote one of my favorite affiliate marketing programs. So if you guys are interested, just hit the link down below so you guys could get started with that. That's pretty much it, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Alright, peace.